dog saloon, and I'll guarantee you this ain't one of them. That's a little close, but that's all right. I don't. That's the way it is.
Real salt dust joint here.
Well, I gotta get drunk. I really do dread it. There's a lot of good tourists in town who like to see me holler and spend my dollar, and I wouldn't think of letting them. There's a lot of good doctors that tell me, Baldy, you better start slow. I go and give those little boobs a tweak. I want to go and bounce the moon. Just, that bring back a lot of memories for all you old farts out there like me. Yeah.